friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and we're not done with the zucchini yet. Tonight, I'm making macaroni and cheese with zucchini. Let's get started. Okay, so here is some zucchini I've had in the fridge. I just gave it a rinse, and I'm letting it strain. Here is our pack of bacon. It's half frozen because I stood it up in a bowl of water because I'm only using half the package. So I'm gonna take this bacon out and put it over here. And then this, I'm gonna fold back over and wrap it up, back up in the package again, just like, if my thumbs will let me, just like that. The other half of the package becomes the wrapper. Right here. Here's our Scooby-Doo noodles. All right, folks, in here, I'm gonna put, I don't know, a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add a small handful of flour. Now, one of the tricks I like to use when making a sauce to make macaroni and cheese is to add mustard powder. Just about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. This gives your sauce a sharper flavor. So I'm just going to add a knob of bacon fat there. So we got mustard powder, flour, bacon grease, and butter. And now we're going to bring this up to a boil. There, she's starting to bubble. Now we're going to add some milk. And we're going to thicken this into a sauce. I don't know how much milk I just put in there, probably 1.5 cups to 2 cups. And of course, garlic, salt, and pepper. Oop. There we go. That's nice, the thickness you want it. All right, let's get back over to the table. What's going on here? So I have sprayed my casserole dish with avocado oil, and I'm going to squeeze the last of the water out of this zucchini. I might not use it. Well, I'm going to use it all, aren't I? Because I was going to put broccoli in this, but I'm going to mix it in here. Because there's just so much zucchini. So I'm just going to put it back in the zucchini container I had in the zucchini in the fridge. I rinsed my zucchini. We want this well mixed. Let's throw our onions in there like this. And now, oh, I gotta keep that, don't I? I am going to put our mustard and bacon flavored bechamel sauce. And I'm just going to mix this all together. Break up the onions. Yeah, you know where I'm going. And I'm going to take a handful of this cheese and I'm going to mix that in. You know what? I should put some Parmesan in here just for zip too. Now, for a bit of color, these are some of my fresh dried leeks. Put a couple in there. Oh yeah, it's going to be beautiful. I'm going to say 1/4 cup of Parmesan. Is that a good drink of water, Gracie? We're going to stir this all together. This makes so much more sense. I was going to shoot stuff all over the place if I tried to stir it in that bowl. Great. Onions broke up. Howie likes to get a nice onion in there. All into, whoops, the casserole dish. I'm spilling it. Look, oh my goodness. Got a few pieces of onion left on top here to put on top here. It smells good already. It really smells good already. Now this is a really thick casserole, okay? I just stood my thing up in it because the zucchini is going to give off some water. Okay, now I'm going to put the cheese on top. Oh, yeah, good stuff. Yes. Yes. Now, I'm going to put bacon on the top. Wow, that's a really thick slice of bacon. I'll put him right in the middle. I'll put the thinner ones around the edge. Bacon. Because guess what? I got this bacon for $3.49 a package. This is the last package. And it is quite meaty. The other side will be more fatty, but when you pay over $3 for a package of bacon, you want to make bloody sure you get 2 meals out of it, right? Oh my goodness, this is going to have more bacon than it should. Oh, can you ever have too much? So there. I could have weaved it, I guess, but they were all kind of out of... This is going into a 350-degree oven for 45 minutes, covered, and 15 minutes uncovered. All right, Howard's home. Get dinner out of the oven. Now this cooked for almost a full hour. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I let it rest in the oven for about 20 minutes. I covered it at first and then took the lid off for the last 20 minutes. How hungry are you, dear?
I am hungry.
All right. Can you smell what the mama's cooking? Take this to Howard and see what Granddad has to say about that. After we pepper it, of course. Don't be bumming. You got to lick the banana bread bowl and it was a big one.
Oh, that's a good girl.
This is mac and cheese. Sort of.
Sort of.
Yeah.
It's got zucchini in it.
Yeah, it caught me, but I don't think you'll taste it. I don't think you'll taste it at all.
Where's the zucchini?
It's shredded.
Ah. Kind of like kale.
Yes.
You hide it.
I have found ways now to make you eat zucchini and not know it.
Very good.
Thanks, baby. Wait till you see dessert. Look at your dog.
It'd be too hot for you.
Well, blow on it. Oh, my goodness. Thanks, baby. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, well, he's, by this point in the summer, he's suspecting everything I feed him. So, but you got your thumbs up and he's probably going to eat it all. And then we'll have banana bread. Take care, God bless.